Yeah, you. Yes, now that the marriage is fixed, I need to learn how to share my details best with my daughter-in-law. Yes, of course. Yes, our daughter has all the qualities of the perfect housewife. After all, women are the ones who turn a house to a home. Yes, now I have to take care of my son just the way I took care of my husband. My son is special. He's your responsibility now. The good news is men are simple creatures. Keep them fed and they are happy. Don't worry. He can fulfill all his needs. But there is one thing though. Our daughter would need a big closet for her stories. Absolutely. Let the preparations begin. Yes. Get a daughter-in-law for our son and a big closet for her stories. Vale, mirror, también quiere hablar que mirror de
In ancient Mesopotamia, the gala priests were created by the Sumerian god Enki to protect the goddess Inanna. Inanna possesses the power to invoke emotions in others. Her lifestone bestows fortune and immortality. The gala were both women and men, both wearing within the time. Men wearing women's clothes were not considered taboo in Inanna's cult or in Sumerian society.
Now that the marriage is fixed, are you reading a book? How to keep your heart?
In some cases, romantic were married. ULAB were often chosen for their perceived purity and devotion to their goddesses, who could turn a man into a woman into a man.
তোমাকে ধাক্কা দিচ্ছে খালা
I don't like this kind of a joke. Why are you wearing this? Take it off. Take it off. Right now. Take it. Go. Men don't wear women's attire. This is unacceptable.
Is it unacceptable everywhere? Can you not assault men, women, even eunuchs?
Comfortable. Do you want to wear this too? And this? Do you want me to put mascara on you too? Go on. Put this on. You're a man. You like to wear my wedding veil. And you are not even sick. Then what are you? Tell me. What are you? Are you a man or a woman? Are you homosexual? Bisexual? Transsexual? Hijra? Are you my husband or am I yours? Tell me. What are you?
Who am?
Truly a brilliant performance, Team ULAB. May we please have a round of applause for them once again.